Tell us a little bit about why you made this change.
I started it because the thrift stores are just like getting so competitive and it's just so time consuming nowadays for me. Like, I don't want to be traveling the whole state of Connecticut where I live every single day to find inventory. It's just too time consuming. There's a lot more competition. The prices are going up at thrift stores. And as much as I love going garage sailing on the weekend and going to auctions and flea markets, and I still do that, I just couldn't scale at the rate that I wanted to because I was just spending all my time trying to find the product. So that's why I started looking at different ways to find inventory. I grew up, over the last 8 or 9 years selling on eBay, and I know how many deals there are on eBay. I know how inefficient the markets are between eBay and Amazon. And what is the definition of a market inefficiency? It's arbitrage, right? I knew there was an arbitrage opportunity, and I flipped items over the last 4 or 5 years from eBay to Amazon. But for some reason, everyone always said, like, you can't build a business out of it. Look on YouTube now. There's nothing about it. Facebook groups, like, it just doesn't exist.